Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first and do the update since we spoke about this currency pair in the last couple of forecasts. And I mentioned that we have a great area and potential for the rally to continue and the mid-long-term trends to continue to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. So we basically had everything started when the market reached this area around 1.2310. It got reaction of this key support, and then it had the outside day. 2 days ago, we have a successful test of supply. Market closed on the high, and yesterday we had a strong basically reaction up and close near the high. Today we can see that market is doing the consolidation. I also want to mention that we have average hourly earnings month on month. Today non-farm employment change in US and unemployment rate, so definitely they will have a big impact on the volatility for today. And for the pound, so the next reference point based on the daily time frame that we have on the left side is around 1.2670 mark, and this is something that we might see in the next period to the test of that area to happen. If we speak about the position of stochastic, we had a bull cross of oversold area a couple of days ago. We also have a MACD cross as well. So things are getting again and rolling to the upside, and again the mid-long-term trends are upside, and this might be just the beginning. Actually, a couple of days ago we probably started the beginning of that upside continuation, at least towards 1.2670 mark. If we speak about a gold market, very similar thing. So gold is also in a mid-long-term trend to the upside, and we had this reversal bar that happened like a 3 trading days ago. So market traded lower in this mini consolidation, then rejected back and closed on the high into the previous few day consolidation at this point. And at this point we still didn't go for this 1985, but there is a likely chance we'll go through that level and eventually try to go towards 2000 mark, which is the next reference point. Basically that we had some support that point short term, and also 2000 mark is the mark that is a round number and observed by many. But in this sense, if the bid is really strong and the relative strength on the gold is very strong, so I will not be surprised in the next period that market can go towards the 2048, retest that area, maybe even try to go and make a new all-time high in the next period. But first, 2000 mark is the next reference point, and then the 2000 let's say 45 mark. If we see the 30-minute time frame is building higher lows, so we have a natural reactions, and so still gold looks pretty strong and relative strength leader. And again, the area where we spotted was around this day here on the reversal day. Speaking of the crude oil, this is something also we spoke about yesterday. Market will at least trade towards the 69.70. That actually happened. Market even traded towards the 71 mark and closed near the high. Today market traded and opened to the upside to retest that high. So we will see, will the market have some reaction downside? Maybe for today, maybe today can be consolidation day, but we have also events in the US. So the next thing which we can see is potentially for the market to go towards 73.40 and retest this resistance cluster, since we have a successful rejection of this pin bar territory. So market proved that there is no power to go through, and market tracked pretty aggressively yesterday. So that's a positive sign for going further into this week and also going into the next week. And speaking of the Bitcoin, we had actually a very good reaction this morning. So market found we got a buying tail on intraday that happened, and market almost went to the previous day high. So we might see this area to be like very important And it's like, I will say, a secondary support. We also have this support, so this area is actually quite huge, and still I think that market, this downside move that happened this week might be the corrective move going forward, you know, and we might see it to start to resolve something like this, to retest 28,360. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, guys, and have a good weekend, and speak to you from next week, from Monday.